All right, welcome back to another video. I want to walk you through a particular product that we are basically looking at, and I've got permission to talk about this particular product, right? I'm in the process of listing actually a product right now, but I wanted to show you something on the screen here. This is a particular easy product that is something that you may be interested in, something that I've sort of been looking at personally myself, all right? Now this particular product, it's very lightweight, it's very simple, it weighs less than a kilo, it's something you can brand, it's something that you can get involved in. What I love about it is particular, let's look at this one right here, right? It's got some fantastic branding happening here, right? I love this. It's very neat. Let me just show you, right? Oop, okay, it's gone out. There we go, let's just zoom in here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can sort of see here they're branded. They've got a little carry bag there, and this is something you can do. You can actually brand and bundle. Right? Bundling means you're putting a whole bunch of stuff together. You're putting, you've got a strap here. You've got what is this? This little Caribbean clips, right? It comes branded, right? And what you'll find is, and you can sort of see here, 1.72 pounds, which is roughly, I believe it's roughly about 800 grams, I think it is. What else here? One size is better. One size fits all is always better. Anything that doesn't require complications, so if your product requires assembly, if your product requires instructions, if it requires batteries or to charge cables and things like that, it's just a little bit more complicated. Not impossible, we can certainly list it like we've listed many products before, but it's not something that you should probably do for your first product. Hopefully that makes sense. All right, but again, you want to jump on products that you can brand quite easily, and this is really just a simple print on a bag. All right, but again, camping, hiking, backpacking, outdoors, travel, those sorts of things are going to be a bit in. They're going to be very trending for sure, and more increase in search because people can't go anywhere. You can't travel overseas, so it's going to be quite interesting over the next 6 months and even a year, because people are not able to go on airplanes and not able to travel as much as they could internationally. So there's going to be a lot more domestic trips, a lot more camping, hiking, travel in cars, even motorhomes and camper van accessories. They're going to be quite popular as well. All right, so just again, something to look at, and you can sort of get ideas as well. Like I'm just scrolling down here. Frequently bought together, right? So you've got other things here. What's this? Let's have a look at that. That looks like a sleeping bag. Let's have a look at this one. So this is a sleeping bag as well. It's a mat from the looks of it, right? Again, they've gone down the branding. They've got customized packaging, which actually looks quite good. Okay, camping, hiking, backpacking, deflation-proof guarantee. That's cool. You know, I've bought a whole bunch of stuff before. Beds and in the past, and by 3 o'clock in the morning they're all deflated and you're sitting on your butt essentially, right? Lightweight, only 14 ounces, lifetime warranty. See, that's great, and they've done a great job with the listing as well. 10,000 ratings. 10,000. That's nuts. Let's just do a calculation on that, right? So hold on, let's just do a calculation on this. So working on a rule of thumb, right? Every 10 sales you get, you're going to get 1 review. Every 10 sales, 1 review. So if they've got 10,128 reviews, that's going to be incredible, right? I mean, based on that number, and again, this is just a rule of thumb, right? Some people, it's a lot less. It's every 20 sales they get 1 review, right? Which will be even more. But based on that, that's like 10,128,000 unit sales, right? Just based on that. So number one, they're either very good at getting reviews, or number two, they've actually sold that amount of in units, which is actually quite impressive. But anyway, that's just an estimation. But if you're looking for ideas and you're looking for someone to help you get listed or help you get ideas just like this, touch base with me. Our number's on the screen. Give us a call in the Sydney office at 02 8003 7534. I would like to personally have a chat with you and have a talk with you about what your goals are with Amazon. What are you looking to do? Are you looking to build a brand? Are you looking to not just be on Amazon? You want to be on Amazon USA, Australia, maybe Instagram, Facebook, put your products up on eBay as well? Are you looking for really multi-platform selling and being everywhere with your brand? Or are you just want to do Amazon? all right? And there's no right or wrong answer, but some people are different. They want to focus on building out a range of hair products or a range of baby or pet products, right? So I can help you, I can give you some ideas. We've actually got some ideas on a free training we have on our website, so check it out. I'd love to have a chat with you. See ya, stay safe, bye for now. Are you based in Australia or New Zealand and you want to get something started on Amazon? I want to talk to you about selling on Amazon. I want to talk to you about how to get started. You know, what's your first 2 or 3 products going to be? The number one reason people say they want to start on Amazon is because of freedom. Freedom to work for themselves, freedom from their boss. They want to spend more time with their family. They want to spend more time with their kids. They want to finally live a life on their own terms. I really want to mentor you. I want to help you find the products, buy the products, fund the products, how much to pay for your products, how to start your own brand and sell your own brand on Amazon, how to find suppliers, how to get the best deals, how to launch and sell your products on Amazon, and how to scale. You guys, ladies and gentlemen, should get started today and find out more on how we can work together.